These are the top 10 Costa Rica travel hacks that we've learned on our trips to help save time, money, and overall just make it a more enjoyable trip. First, eat at bars and restaurants that charge in colones, not dollars. Places that charge in dollars are designed towards tourists. It's going to be more expensive and less authentic. You find a bar or a restaurant that charges in colones, it's going to be a more authentic experience and oftentimes much less expensive. Second, if you book an Airbnb inside of a gated community with beachfront access like Reserva Conchal, oftentimes it comes with free private beach access. And this is what it's like to walk on the beach. 3. Make sure you fly into the right airport. Costa Rica has two different primary international airports, Liberia and San José. Fly into Liberia for Guanacaste beaches or to go to La Fortuna and Arenal. Use San José for central access to Costa Rica. 4. Exchange your dollars for colones before you leave home at your own bank. This is going to give you the best possible exchange rate. Oftentimes you can just do this from home by logging into your bank's website and having the money sent directly to your house. 5. Travel during the rainy season or the shoulder season to not only save a ton of money, but really be able to experience Costa Rica with fewer crowds. 6. Pre-download offline maps onto your phone while you're still at home, so once you get out into the rural areas and don't have an internet connection, you'll still be able to use your navigation. 7. You need to know in advance that Uber is illegal in Costa Rica. However, because of some loopholes, it does technically still work in some areas. 8. Costa Rica has several microclimates. Depending upon where you're going, you need to pack differently. If you're not sure about that, you can check the link in the description to download our free Costa Rica travel guide, and we've got a series of packing lists for the different areas of Costa Rica. 9. Book stays with kitchens. This way, you can make your own meals and you don't have to eat out all the time. You can go shopping at local grocery stores and farmers markets and save a ton of money over eating out for every meal. Not only that, but half the fun in Costa Rica is getting to experience some of these local grocery stores and farmers markets and just getting to pick through some of the incredible produce. 10. It is humid in Costa Rica, so your stuff is not going to dry quickly. You should bring quick dry towels for beach visits. We'll put a link in the description to the travel ones that we use. If this is your first trip to Costa Rica, you're going to have such a great time, and we put together a whole series of videos on planning your first trip to Costa Rica. You can check that out here. Have a great trip.